You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Character name from Deepwoken. For more names from the game, make sure to stay tuned as well, otherwise known as the Lord Regent. There are some debates on how this is to be pronounced. Zi'eer. Zi'eer. How do you say it yourself? Let us know, let everybody know in the comment. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.